Hey guys, this is John. I'm back. I wasn't going to film a video. I'm just out trying to enjoy the sunshine a little bit. Been down about a week and a half now, sick. So I figured it was due for me the time to get out and at least try and start feeling better. Found a little seashell. Kind of cool. But I haven't seen any artifacts or any arrowheads, and I'm walking down these banks looking. But I saw this beautiful little run of the creek here. Thought I'd at least have to stop and share this. That's relaxing. So if nothing else, turn the volume up and enjoy the water. It's nice, ain't it? Well, I hope everybody's had a good day today. If I find anything, I'll turn it back on. Otherwise, enjoy your Wednesday, and I'll see you out there on the trail somewhere. Take care. Bye, guys.